Boleh faham tak? Sembah Tuhan seperti mana Tuhan suruh kita sembah Dia. Bukan sembah Tuhan seperti mana kita fikir kita patut menyembah Tuhan. Okey, ini membuat saya bertanya satu soalan. Kita sebagai manusia nak menyembah Tuhan. Hari ini bila saya menyembah Tuhan, apakah saya menyembah Tuhan seperti mana Tuhan suruh saya sembah Dia, ataupun saya menyembah Tuhan secara ikut-ikutan sahaja? So these are the questions which is very important for Muslims. Do you understand? Is that clear? Okay, next please. Okay, very quickly. What is the name of God? Islam, chapter 17, verse 110. Almighty God tells us, call Him by the name of Allah, O Ar-Rahman, the most gracious, most merciful. Or by any name you call God. Verily, the most beautiful names belongs to God. You can call God what? Rabb, Waheguru, Rahman, Bhagawan, Tian Wan, the sky God. In Hokkien they call Tikong. Okay? So, whatever they call Shanti, okay, whatever name you call God, the most beautiful names belongs to God. Next is, in English, we call God by the name G-O-D, God, in English. But as Muslim, we would prefer to call God as Allah. Because in English, you can play mischief with the word. Next. If you put S, what happens? Gods, plural, more than one God. But in Arabic language, when you say Allah, cannot be plural. There's no such a thing as Allahs. Kita tak boleh jadi Allah dalam bahasa Arab, tak boleh. Jadi sebab Allah is one and only. Next. If you add D-E-S-S, it becomes godless. What does that mean? Female God. In Arabic language, when you say Allah, Allah cannot be male, cannot be female. It's genderless. Tetapi in English, it can become godless. Next please. Godfather sebagai contoh. Because in the Western custom, when a baby is born, sometimes a person becomes the godfather for the baby, as a protector for the baby. But in Arabic, when you say Allah, you cannot have Allah Abba or Allah Father, Allah Ummi, God Mother. So in Arabic, when you say Allah, the name is so pure and unique. Those who understand Arabic, they would know already. By saying Allah, they know the description of Allah. Cannot be imagined and so on. Is that clear? Next please. Okay.